takes the biggest strain, we help the system respond. So effort stays productive and relief stays strong. Snap, focus, snap, release. This is how motion finds its peace.